Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to draw Bluey. We start by making an eye, well rounded, and another circle inside. We color it. And now we do his nose. So very well. And a smile. We finish the recording. And we draw his snout with a circle inside. Now the other eye. You are doing very well. Now we make the body shape. We go down to the bottom. And now on the other side. We draw an arm with the fingers. So very well. And now the eyebrows are well rounded. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like us. We continue to make our ears very sharp. And now we draw on the inside. Also the ears. We make the stains on the back. And the belly. We draw the other arm. Is waving true. We make the stain on the other leg. And we continue to make our feet. We go down to the bottom. And now the other. Now we do his toes. And all that remains is the tail. We draw you some hairs and stains. Now we continue to review the drawing. So very well. We review around. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe. And once reviewed, we color his nose. The only thing left to do is to color. We start with orange. We draw a little bit of the ears. And the nose. Well, orange. This is how we continue to color without going out. And now the inside. You are doing very well. Now we take another color. With black, we go over the mouth. We take the light blue. We do the eyebrows. And we continue to paint the nose. It's going to be super cool. We started by painting along the edges. And we are still on the inside. So we will not leave the drawing. What color is Bluey? We finish the belly. And now we continue with black. We had forgotten the spots on our paws. We continue with the light blue. We wait in line. And now the legs. The top and the bottom the same. And now we make the other leg exactly the same. We end up by the feet. And now the arms. Hands of the same color. Now we take the dark blue and review the blank areas. You are doing very well. We review the ears. And now the top of the face. We are painting little by little, always without leaving. I make the stain on his face, and I take the light blue again. And all that remains is the belly and the spots. See you in the next video. See you later.